Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you my new kit that I have out in my Etsy shop that I'm going to link down below. You can purchase at any time. It's €2 approximately, and it has 8 sheets of papers, 4 plain background. Oh, the title is Steampunk Galore, and it's made of 4 sheets of plain paper that you can use as background pictures or signatures, and then it has a lot of other 4 pages of ephemera, labels, pockets, and embellishments and whatnot. So today I'm going to show you how I would like to use my a few pages of my kit, and it's a very simple project. I'm going to glue 2 of the pages down, and I'm going to decorate them with simple embellishments. Of course, the glue isn't coming down, okay? And we are going to make a very quick project for this Sunday morning. I am cooking my pasta and spinach and some cutlets, so I have to rush. I have to rush because you know you can't cook pasta forever. Okay, so I'm going to make this as a signature. Of course, I'm not centering the pages. Okay. And if they are not perfect, you know that you can just trim them. If you're like me, that you can't even glue 2 pages together, you can just trim them. Okay, and that's perfect. And then you just fold them in half. Okay, you just fold them in half. Yes, I don't have a bone folder, so I'm going to use any kind of tool that is handy. And then I'm going to add this little piece of coffee dyed. Yes, this little piece of coffee dyed parchment paper. And I'm going to create a little collage here. Okay. I'm taking this piece too, and I'm going to glue this down on the parchment paper. Okay, this is a perfect angle. And oh, I forgot that I just wanted to put this down to create this collage. Okay, it's cute, right? if you're in the steampunk. And then I think this is okay for this page. And then I just wanted to add this tag here. Maybe you can write the name of the person you're making this journal to. Maybe if you center this image, it's going to be better. Okay, and here I just wanted to add this huge pocket. You can of course change the size of the print. You just need to adjust the size, but I really loved the idea of having a big pocket, a very big pocket. I can glue this down like this and like this. If you want, you can shrink down all the images and make all the dimensions and the sizes you want. And then I've chosen this one. It's a collage that I made from this plate with a little hat. And I want to glue this down on this coffee dyed paper. So it gives it a little bit of dimension. I think I want to leave a little bit of edge because it gives it a more vintagey look. You can sew around this if you want, and this can go here, and it's perfect. Then I also have other images that I could use, but I think we are okay. I have this image. Maybe I can use this one or this beautiful label, and I can shrink them down or leave it just as they are. In fact, as you can see, they have the same background. As the paper itself. So I could just glue this down as a corner tuck spot, and I love this idea. I could just do like this, and it's perfect, and you can tuck anything you want behind. Okay, so this is just a little example of how you can embellish your pages with a little steampunk look, and I think botanical goes perfect hand in hand with the steampunk. Here you could also add, I have other pages that I haven't printed out, but they are just gorgeous. There are so many images that I found for this kit and this new project. Maybe I'm going to go on with decorating my journal with these images that I really love. So stay tuned. I think I'm going to have a second part of my kit very soon out, because I want to add some more ephemeras like these ones. Okay? Ciao! Have a nice Sunday!